Myself, Dr. Ryan. Professionally, I am a counselor. Since you all know that quarantine is going on, people are inside, many of us don't know how to spend our time, and somewhere or the other, you also reading newspaper where people are also speaking about mental health issues. So, since professionally I am a counselor, even I also thought let me share my views. So today, for this video, I have taken the topic on overthinking. Dear friends, many a times we all think, no, nothing wrong in thinking, but it's a natural process. But what happens, many a times we see that we are stuck. Certain thoughts disturb us in such a way that we are not even able to do the simple task, we are not even able to do the simple work, and sometimes we feel that we are trapped, we are blocked, we are unable to take the next step. So this means one or the other way a thought is disturbing you in such a way that one or the other way it is affecting you, affecting your personality, affecting your personal life, and affecting your daily activities. Dear friends, this is called that one you are suffering from an issue called overthinking. At the same time, I also want to share you one more thing. Not that every time overthinking is bad. Sometimes overthinking is required where when you overthink of an issue, you plan, you organize, you develop, and you plan it in such a way that, like for example, if I have to take that one activity, you think on it, how to carry out the activity, how to plan for this activity, and you keep on thinking about the activity, and the end result will give you positive result. That overthinking is beautiful, and that overthinking is very good because the end result is giving you something positive result. But the overthinking, thinking when it gives you negative result, where you're unable to carry out a simple task, that will create a lot problem for you. And dear friends, what happens or how you will come to know that you are really thinking a lot or you are really going this overthinking process? One is you're unable to sleep, you feel that your mind is shut, even the simple task is really creating you a problem, you are not able to enjoy your daily activities, you are unable to enjoy with your friends. Somewhere the other way you feel that your life is blocked, you're unable to share anything. If you feel these things are going on, it means that one or the other way your thought is disturbing you. I don't say you are the victim of overthinking, but one or the other way your thought is disturbing you. But dear friends, one thing we should realize that for every problem there is a solution, but depend on how you put your effort, how strongly you put your effort. So I would like to share you now the simple ways to come out from this overthinking. The first thing they say, paper and pen activity. It's an exercise where you should take a paper, you should write down all the issues, like whatever, in whichever area you feel that you are stuck, whatever the area you feel that you are blocked, and whatever the area you feel that you cannot come out. You have to write down everything and you should analyze each and thing, why this is happening, why you are undergoing, why you are undergoing these things, and why this is blocking you. If you feel that this activity is not helping you, I would like to suggest you one more activity which is a very beautiful one, walking and meditation. For any individual with any issue, any problem or many problem, walking and meditation will help in a better way. But dear friends, when it comes to overthinking, along with walking and meditation, there is a one more strong activity which you have to do, that is called as systematically occupying yourself. Dear friends, we all have one or the other hobbies, or we all are good in some or the other way. One or the other skill which always keeps us occupying. One or the other hobby which always keeps us occupied. So friends, what I really request you, this occupying is something like something where whichever area you are interested, whichever area you want to do something better, you need to start doing that. When you start doing that, you are involving yourself, you are occupying yourself, and when you do that, there are a lot of positive vibes will come out, and it will also help you internally. At the same time, it will also help you to externally in the sense, because the results will come, you will do something better, and sometimes because of the simple occupancy you can do something better. So dear friends, the best exercise what I really suggest you is that you do something which makes you occupy. It can be anything. I don't say you have to do this, you have to do that, and there is nothing called you should do this, do that. No. Whichever area you feel that you can occupy yourself very concretely, you have to do that. And believe me friends, when you do this, you may get new ideas, or I can say the concrete ideas. It will also help you to develop your skills, talents and techniques. Dear friends, this is the views which I wanted to share you. But many a times when you do this paper and pen exercise, meditation, walking, or systematically occupying yourself, even apart from doing that, somewhere you feel that you are unable to come out. Dear friends, that is a moment where you should realize that you need a professional help. Professional help is something like you need to consult a psychologist or counselor, because they may guide you in a better way. So dear friends, this is my first video, and I also request you to like, subscribe and share. At the same time, I also want to request you, please write your comments on the comment box, and in any area, if you want to have information or you would like to know, there are many different areas which if you want to know, please comment. I will be doing video on that issue. So thank you.